Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
You are welcome to the Goal Regional Championship. We bring you the third contest from the Central Region, which features Ghana National
Shadrach Asidu.
Apam Senior High School is represented by
Ata Samuel Kwesi Onuma. Boachi Adam Stable.
And finally, we have Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School. They are represented by
Semi James, final year.
Bonzi Peter, final year.
Best wishes to all the schools. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. We would also like to acknowledge the support of CHAS, who have prepared these brilliant students to participate in these contests. This is a prime-time production. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje. I'm a lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. So our competing schools will have this third contest in 4 rounds. In round 1, which is where we'll begin, I would ask you questions that would test your knowledge of principles in mathematics, biology, chemistry, and physics. If a question comes to your school and there are no calculations, you have 30 seconds, you have 10 seconds to give me an answer. If there are calculations, however, you have up to 30 seconds. If you answer a question correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. That question just becomes available for another school to ring for it. The first out of the 3 schools to ring for that question and is able to give a correct answer will be awarded 1 point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll begin with Ghana National College. Now, I'd also like to sound a note of caution. So in ringing for the bonus question, make sure that I've ruled on the question. I've said this is incorrect or no before you ring your bell, or the school has been bailed out. If whilst a school is giving their answer, or whilst I haven't even ruled, you ring your bell, you just count yourself out of that bonus question, okay? Are we good? Okay. Round 1. This is a preamble to all the schools. Give the chemical formulas of the 2 major products formed from the decomposition of the given compound. Give the chemical formulas, or formulae, whichever one you prefer, of the 2 major products formed from the decomposition of the given compound. Ghana National College, your compound is barium carbonate. Yes, it's your main question. Go ahead and answer when you're ready.
So we have BaO and CO2.
That's correct. Obiri Yeboah, nickel 3 oxide. Yes.
O2 and Ni.
That's correct. Apam Senior High School, potassium chlorate. Yes,
The products are KCl and O2.
that's correct. Aggrey Memorial Zion, silver oxalate. Go
We
ahead.
have Ag and CO2.
That's correct. Another preamble. Find the solution set of the cubic inequality. Ghana National. So 3 expressions multiplying, okay? The expression x minus 2, multiplying the expression x plus 1, multiplying the expression x plus 3, greater than 0. Yes.
So the solution set is the set of x such that x is less than -1, or x is less than -3, or x is greater than 2.
Repeat the answer.
Said the solution set is the set of x such that x is less than 1, or sorry, I said x is less than
Say
-1.
the same thing.
Yes, please. X is less than -1, or x is less than -3, or x is greater than 2.
2 out of 3. Obiri Yeboah, 3 expressions multiplying. The expression x minus 3 multiplies the expression x minus 2, multiplies the expression x plus 2, less than 0.
X less than 3, x less than 2, and x less than -2.
Yes.
X is greater than -2. X is less than 3, and x is less than 2.
No. Okay, I would allow Aggrey Memorial to take the bonus.
X is such that x is less than -2, or 2 less than x less than 3.
That's correct. Apam Senior High School. 3 expressions multiplying. The expression x plus 5, multiplying the expression x minus 1, multiplying the expression x minus 4, greater than 0. Go ahead.
X is such that X is less than -5 or 1 less than X less than 4.
And please repeat that.
X is such that X is less than -5 or 1 less than X less than 4.
No. Okay. Yes, Aggrey Memorial.
X is such that -5 less than X less than 1 or X is greater than 4.
That's correct. Aggrey. 3 expressions multiplying. The expression x plus 3, multiplying the expression x minus 1, multiplying the expression x minus 6, less than 0. Yes, go ahead.
X is such that X is less than -3 or 1 less than X less than 6.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. So, Ghana National, I gave you partial mark because only one of the answers was correct. X is such that X is greater than 2. That was correct. But the second one is or -3 less than X less than -1. Okay. So a preamble to all the schools. Mention one response of the human skin to a fall in body temperature. Mention one response of the human skin to a fall in body temperature. Yes, Ghana National. Yes.
Okay, so in response to a cold temperature, there is the formation of goosebumps on the skin of the person. That's the formation of goosebumps.
When you are cold, you get goosebumps. No. No. Obiri Yeboah.
The hair on the skin becomes erect.
Yes,
so
that's correct. It's okay. If I allow you, you might say other people's answers, so it's okay. Apam.
There is shivering. That the body begins to shiver.
No, I won't take that. Because that's not a response of the skin. Aggrey Memorial.
So there is vessel constriction in the.
That's okay, I'll take it. So yes, the blood vessels constrict. So even the more common one is that your sweat glands become inactive, isn't it? Then the head stand, like they said, and the skin may wrinkle. Okay. Ghana National. Find the kinetic energy of an object of mass 20 kilogram and velocity 5I plus 2J meters per second. Yes.
290 joules.
Yes, that's correct. Obiri Yeboah. Find the mass of an object whose kinetic energy is 160 joules when its velocity is 4I plus 2J meters per second.
$16 kilograms.
That's correct. Apam, find the mass of an object whose kinetic energy is 480 joules when its velocity is 2I plus 6J meters per second.
$24 kilograms.
That's correct. Aggrey Memorial, find the kinetic energy of an object of mass 16 kilograms and velocity 3I plus 4J meters per second. Yes,
200 joules.
that's correct. Okay, a preamble to all the schools. The compound with molecular formula C4H7Br is non-cyclic. Give the name of one possible structural formula of this compound. The compound with molecular formula C4H7Br is non-cyclic. Give the name of one possible structural formula of this compound. I'll start with Ghana National. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so an example of a structural formula for one of them is 1 bromo bute 1 in.
That's correct. Obiri Yeboah.
Two bromo built one in.
That's also correct. Apam. Yes, go ahead.
1 bromo built 2 in.
That's correct. Aggrey Memorial.
2 bromo bute 2 in.
Yes, that's correct. So, and other names could be 3 bromo 1 butene or 3 bromo bute 1 in or 4 bromo bute 1 in. Okay. A preamble. A bag contains 3 black balls, 5 white balls, and 2 red balls. The 2 balls are drawn randomly without replacement. Find the probability. I'll take that again. A bag contains 3 black balls, 5 white balls, and 2 red balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly without replacement. Find the probability that Ghana National, 1 ball is black and 1 white. Go ahead.
1/3.
Yes, that's correct. Obiri Yeboah, 1 ball is red and 1 ball is black. Yes.
1 on 15.
No. Yes, Ghana National.
2/15.
Yes, that's correct. Apam. One ball is white and 1 ball is red. Yes,
2/9.
that's correct. Aggrey Memorial. Both balls are black or both balls are red. Go ahead.
We have a fraction. A fraction with numerator 8 and denominator 45.
No. Okay. A bonus to Apam. Oh, Apam. Okay.
2 on 45.
No. So it's 4 on 45. A preamble. Name and describe one part of the mango fruit. Name and describe one part of the mango fruit. So I'll start with Ghana National.
Okay, so we have the seed, and the seed is a hard ball-like structure that is found in the center of the mango. It's surrounded by all the pericarp layers of the.
I'll
of
give
the
you
fruit.
2 out of 3. So you don't. Okay. Yes, go ahead.
The mesocarp of the mango, and it is fibrous and juicy. That is the fleshy part of the mango that contains the juice.
Okay. I'll give you 2 out of 3 as well. Apam.
The pericarp. And the pericarp is the protective layer of the mango. That is, it protects its internal part.
No, I don't have that. Aggrey.
Epicarp. The epicarp is the outermost covering of the mango fruits. Thus, it covers all the other parts of the mango fruits.
Yeah, I'll give that. So, yeah, Obiri Yeboah, I wanted you to mention that it's the edible part of the fruit. I was waiting for you to say that, okay? So the parts are the epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp, and the seed. And the seed, I wanted you to say that it contains the embryo and the endosperm as well. Okay. Our last set of questions for this round. This is a preamble. The specific heat capacity of a liquid is 4.18 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Okay. So the specific heat capacity of a liquid is 4.18 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Ghana National, find the minimum power of an electric immersion heater that raises the temperature of 0.500 kilogram of the liquid from 25.0 degrees Celsius to 75.0 degrees Celsius in 125 seconds. Yes. Go ahead.
So 8.18 by 10 exponent to what?
No. I should allow Apam. Okay.
11.6 kilowatts.
No, no. Obiri Yeboah, I'll come back to the answers, okay? Find the minimum power of an electric immersion heater that changes the temperature of 0.640 kilogram of the liquid in 32.0 seconds from 15.0 degrees Celsius to 55.0 degrees Celsius. Yes.
The power is 33.4 kilowatt.
No. A bonus to Apam.
The power is 3.34 kilowatts.
No. Apam, your own question. Find the minimum time it takes to increase the temperature of 0.200 kilogram of liquid from 22.0 degrees Celsius to 72.0 degrees Celsius using a 0.800 kilowatt electric immersion heater. Yes, go ahead.
$52.5 seconds.
Repeat that.
52.5 seconds.
No. A bonus. Yes, Ghana National.
5.23 seconds.
No. I'll come back to the answers. Aggrey Memorial. Find the minimum time it takes to increase the temperature of 0.500 kilogram of the liquid from 25.0 degrees Celsius to 85.0 degrees Celsius using a 1.20 kilowatt electric immersion heater. Yes, go ahead.
So, 10 point. The time is 10.5 seconds.
No, a bonus. Okay, so I'll just come from there. Aggrey, your answer was 105 seconds. And Apam, 52.3 seconds. Obiri Yeboah, 856 watts. And then Ghana National, 838 watts. That brings us to the end of round one.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
At the end of the first round, here are the scores. Apam Senior High School, 9 points. Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, 14 points. Ghana National College, 16 points. Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School, 20 points. This brings us to round 2, which is a speed race. Okay. So their contestants are showing that they are ready. Okay? Okay. Awesome. So now that we know the bells are working very well, they're already telling us they know the rules of the game. I'll just repeat for emphasis, okay? So in this round, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time, when you are convinced you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me the first correct answer, 3 points to your school. Second correct answer, because the first correct answer is wrong, you have 2 points. A third or fourth correct answer is worth 1 point. Here again, if you give an incorrect answer, -1 from the marks you've already accrued. First question for the speed race. Find the next 3 terms of a sequence defined by the recurrence relation UN equals 2UN minus 1. N minus 1 is the base, plus 5. U1 equals negative. Yes, Apam.
3 negative 2 negative 3.
No. Okay. U1, has anybody rang their bell? No. U1 equals negative 3. Yes, Aggrey Memorial.
U2 is equal to negative 3.
Negative 1.
U2 is equal to negative 1. U3 is equal to 3. And then U4 is equal to 11.
Okay, I'll let this pass. If it happens again, I would accept it. Okay. Okay, our next question. Evaluate an expression. So evaluate this, it's a fraction, sorry. The numerator is tan 56 degrees minus tan 26 degrees. Yes, agree.
Root 3 over 3.
That's correct. In a triangle, ABC, the side A equals 8, B equals 6, C equals 12. Find cos A. Yes, Apam.
A fraction with numerator 13 and denominator 12.
No. Who else rang the bell? National.
1 over 2.
No. Okay, so I have cos A is 29 on 36. And just that question, Aggrey answer, let me read it out so that you don't think that we are guessing the answers as well. So the expression was tan 56 degrees minus tan 26 degrees over 1 plus tan 56 degrees tan 26 degrees. How they guess the denominator? I have no idea. Okay. Our next question. What is the empirical formula for a compound that contains 30.5% of nitrogen and 69.5% of oxygen? N is 14, O is 16. Ghana National.
The empirical formula is NO2.
That's correct. How many moles of water are formed when 1 mole of propane burns completely in excess oxygen? Yes, who rang the bell? Yes, Ghana National.
3 moles.
No. Next, who rang next? Aggrey.
4 moles.
Yes, that's correct. How many hydrogen atoms are present in a molecule of 3-methyl-3-hexane? Ghana, Aggrey Memorial.
We have 12.
That's correct. Our next question. What arteries supply blood? Okay, Obiri Yeboah. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
Pulmonary artery.
No. Anybody rang their bell? No. To the digestive. Ghana National.
Okay. So we have the mesenteric artery.
That's correct. Okay. So, what is the thin yellow to brown watertight outer skin of the coconut called? Apam.
The mesocap.
No. It's the exocap. Exocap. Name the two most common systems used to determine blood type in humans. Aggrey Memorial.
The ABO blood group system, then the resource factor system.
That's correct. Our last set of questions for this round. Give the SI unit for the physical quantity given by force times density. Yes. National, yeah, into your microphone.
So we have kilogram squared meter exponent -1 second exponent -2.
No. Who rang the bell next? Aggrey Memorial.
We have kilogram square meter to the power -2 second to the power -2.
That's correct. Find the speed of light in a medium of refractive index 2.10. Ghana National.
Okay, so it is given by 1.42 by 10 exponent 8 meters per second.
No. Who rang next? Aggrey. Go ahead.
We have 1.43 by 10 exponent 8 meters per second. Meter per second.
That's correct. Our last question for this round. What is the minimum energy required to launch a 3.0 kilogram object to deep space from the surface of a spherical object of surface gravity 1.3 meters per second squared and radius 1.5 times 10 to the power 6 meters? Okay, Aggrey Memorial.
We have the minimum energy to be equal to 2.6 by 10 exponent -6 joules.
No. Not now, during your bell. No, okay. So it's 5.9 megajoules. And that brings us to the end of round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Okay. At the end of the second round, the scores are Apam Senior High School 6 points, Obiri Yeboah Senior High School 13 points, Ghana National College 16 points, Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School 36 points. Before we go on to round 3, we'll make the following substitutions. Obiri Yeboah Senior High Technical School. They would like John to come on for Patrick. Apam Senior High School would like Faustina to come on for Boachi Adam. And Ghana National College would like Felix to come on for Paula. Okay, so welcome to our substitute contestants. Round 3. In round 3, a series of statements will be read out to each school. And I want you to tell me if the statement I read out to you is true or false, okay? If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1. This is so that you do not guess. If you are bailed out or you decline to answer your question, another school can ring for it for the same points. 2 if they are correct, a penalty point of 1 if the answer is incorrect. And in this round, I'll start with Obiri Yeboah. A preamble. Also, all of you should look at me, okay? No communication with the audience. Okay. A preamble. As one goes down, group 2. As one goes down, group 2. Obiri Yeboah. Ionic radius increases without anomaly. Go ahead.
True.
Yes, it's true. Apam, the charge of the most stable ions remain the same. Go ahead.
True.
Yes, it's true. Aggrey Memorial, charge density remains the same.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. I'm sure you said about 3 different answers before you finally said. Ghana National. Polarizing power increases.
False.
Yes, it's false. Okay. Another preamble. For the exponential function y equals a to the power x. For the exponential function y equals a to the power x. Obiri Yeboah, a is any real number.
True.
No, it's false. Apam, a is a positive real number. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. Aggrey Memorial, a is a negative real number. So look at me, yeah.
False.
Yes, it's false. Ghana National, a is a positive real number and a is not equal to 1.
True.
Yes, that is true. A preamble. During inhalation, Obiri Yeboah, atmospheric pressure is not affected.
False.
No, it's true. Apam, the rib cage moves out and down.
False.
Yes, it's false. Aggrey Memorial, the rib cage moves out and up.
True.
Yes, it's true. Ghana National, the diaphragm expands.
True.
No, it's false. 2 objects, a preamble. 2 objects A and B move with the same speed. 2 objects A and B move with the same speed. Obiri Yeboah, A and B undergo equal displacements in equal time intervals.
False.
Yes, it's false. Apam, the speed of A relative to B is 0. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. Aggrey Memorial, the velocity of A relative to B is 0.
False.
Yes, it's false. Obiri Yeboah, fructose or fructose is a monosaccharide.
True.
Yes, it's true. Apam, galactose has 6 carbon atoms. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Aggrey Memorial, monosaccharides are commonly found in fruits and vegetables.
False.
No, it's true. Ghana National, monosaccharides are generally insoluble in water.
False.
Yes, it's false. So just a point. You know the reason why we call fructose fructose or fructose fructose? It's because it's the common sugar in fruits. Aggrey Memorial. Okay. Obiri Yeboah. X equals 2. It's a 0 of x cubed plus 8.
False.
Into the microphone.
False.
Yes, it's false. Apam. X equals minus 3. It's a 0 of x squared plus x minus 6. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Aggrey Memorial. X equals 5. It's a 0 of x cubed minus 125.
True.
Yes, it's true. Ghana National. X equals negative 2. It's a 0 of x squared plus 2x plus 1.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. During exhalation, Obiri Yeboah, atmospheric pressure changes to 760 millimeters of mercury.
False.
Yes, it's false. Apam, the rib cage moves down. Go ahead.
True.
Yes, it's true. Aggrey Memorial, the rib cage moves inwards. Into the microphone.
True.
Yes, that's true. Ghana National, the lungs recoil. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Our last set of questions